Good morning, students. So now we are going to discuss the topic as acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. Students, we know what is meant by acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration produced by an object due to the gravitational force of the earth is known as acceleration due to gravity. So here we are going to consider what is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. So for that we are considering the case of an earth. This is the way we consider the case of an earth, which is having a radius r, and let m is considered as the mass of this earth. And we are considering the situation as let this object which is having mass m is lying on the surface of this earth. So we know when we are considering the situation as when this object is lying on the surface of the earth, the gravitational force is acting between this object and the earth. So we can represent the gravitational force between the object and the earth is as, so F is equal to G M capital M divided by r square. So this is the way we can represent the gravitational force between the earth and the object. Now we know the case of acceleration due to gravity G as, we know that is F by M only. So from this equation we can get that value. We can observe that G is equal to F by M. If you are taking, you can see that it should be GM divided by r square equation. So value of G we are getting as a GM divided by r square, where G is a gravitational constant only, M is the mass of the earth, and r is considered as the radius of the earth. So the value of G is considered as a constant, and that value is obtained as a GM divided by r square. So we can say that the value of G on the surface of the earth remains as a constant. Now we are considering a situation picture. Suppose this object is going in the upward direction. Let object is at a height h above from the surface of the earth. So we are considering a situation which an object is at a height h above from the surface of the earth. So this is the way we are considering the case of a earth which is having radius r, and this object is at a height h above from the surface of the earth. So this is the way we are considering the situation as this object which is having mass m, which is at a height h above from the surface of the earth. So in this case we already studied the case of a value of G on the surface of the earth. What is the value of G on the surface of the earth? Gm divided by r square. We can see. If object is at a height h above from the surface of the earth, so we can say that the value of G, so we can represent as a G of h. G of h is equal to, we can see that Gm divided by r plus h all square. So this I can represent as equation number 1, and this is as equation number 2. Suppose if we are taking the ratio between equation number 2 and 1, so we can represent as G of h divided by G, as you can observe that this equation becomes Gm divided by r plus h all square divided by Gm divided by r square. So this is the way we can write this equation when we are taking the ratio between these two values. Some of the times is cancel, you can see that. So this way you can write. That means our equation becomes G of h divided by G is equal, you can see that r square divided by r plus h all square. So this is the way we can mention the ratio between G of h and G, where G of h is considered as the value of G at a height h above from the surface of the earth, and G is considered as the value of G on the surface of the earth. And here we can do some arrangement on this equation. We can observe that. So G of h divided by G is equal to, you can see that I am taking this r square outside. So r square divided by, if I am taking r square outside, you can observe that this equation becomes 1 plus h divided by r all square is equal. So this r square we can neglect from about this equation. So our equation becomes G of h divided by G is equal to, you can see that 1 divided by 1 by r all square is equal. So this is the way we can representing our equation. So G of h divided by G is equal to this equation. So I can mention this equation as a g of h is equal to, you can see that g into, so this is where I am modifying this equation, 1 plus h divided by r raised to minus 2 we can represent. So this time we are taking above, so this becomes minus 2. So g of h is equal to g into 1 plus h divided by r raised to minus 2. We can expand this equation with the help of a binomial expansion, and we can mention this equation as g of h is equal to g into, you can see that after applying the binomial expansion, so this equation becomes 1 minus 2h divided by r. So this is where we can mention our value of a g as g of h is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. So you can observe this equation. Value of a g at a height h above from the surface of the earth is given as g into 1 minus 2h by r. That means value of a g is decreases by a factor 1 minus 2h by r. So it is clear, as we go above from the surface of the earth, the value of a g is decreases. So it is decreases by a factor of 1 minus 2h by r.